So, this is our organization chart, led by Raja Adnan Faisal as the CEO, and me as the operation manager, Muhammad SYAUQI. And next we have AZMIN as the finance and administration officer, and then we have IZZUDDIN as the marketing and sales manager, and then we have NAZIRUL AKIF as the technical staff, and last but not least we have Muhammad AMIR as the data analysis.
Introducing our product ECOSPHERE Clean. In our pursuit of sustainability, traditional cleaning agents filled with phosphates, bleach, and ammonia pose serious environmental and health risks. ECOSPHERE Clean is a next-generation solution that combines colloidal micelles and nanobubbles for powerful residue-free cleaning. Micelles formed from plant-based surfactants break down grease and pollutants. Nanobubbles smaller than 200 nanometers penetrate deep into crevices, disrupt biofilms, and enhance surface cleaning through gentle mechanical action and reactive oxygen species. Unlike conventional products, ECOSPHERE Clean works at low temperatures with no VOC, no phosphates, and no SLS, reducing energy use and environmental impact. Designed in line with green chemistry principles, it meets both household and industrial sanitation needs safely, effectively, and sustainability.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I would like to explain about the process to making our colloid product, which is ECOSPHERE Clean. This is the summary of the process. There are 7 steps involved, which is mix the surfactant with warm water to create the medium for our colloid. The second one is add stabilizer. The third one is create nanobubbles. Next, stabilize by adding glycerol, blend and cool process, and test quality, and finally packaging and storing our product. So let's look at the detailed process overview. The first one is raw material. We use the primary surfactant that are biodegradable, non-ionic, such as polyglucoside or saponins. The first step is to stabilize the micelles that are formed by adding lecithin. Other than that, we use silica nanoparticle to stabilize the nanobubbles. The third process is when the micelle formation is formed, we will use the stabilizer at the concentrated 1% to prevent the micelle from aggregation. For the fourth step, nanobubbles generation and stabilization, we use glycerol, exactly 2% or silica nanoparticles, to forming a protective layer for our colloid. This will help the colloid structure to maintain and keep consistent. The fifth step is homogenization and cooling. Homogenization process is conducted for 5 to 10 minutes to ensure the uniform micelle formation. After it's stable, the micelle will cool at the room temperature to prevent destabilization. For the quality control test, we conduct 2 tests, which is stability test and performance test. For the quality test, we use centrifuge to check the separation of our colloid. Next, we use our product by applying it to grease or dirt to make and check the cleaning efficiency. And the last one is packaging and storing. We use UV resistant and recyclable bottles to protect our product from degradation by sunlight or moisture.
The next thing is, I would like to talk about our unique features of our ECOSPHERE Clean product. First is, our product has dual action colloidal system. ECOSPHERE Clean uses plant-derived micelles within range 5 to 10 nanometer to solubilize oils, greases, and biofilms, and nanobubbles approximately 100 nanometer to enhance sweating. Second is, our product is chemical-free, environmentally friendly formulation. Our product uses SLS, phosphate, bleach, and ammonia-free. Our product, ECOSPHERE Clean, is manufactured using biodegradable plant-based ingredients. Next is electrostatic dispersion mechanism. The formulation delivers well-distributed micelles and nanobubbles across the surfaces. Next is our performance in ambient conditions. The product could work well at room temperature without any addition of heat or aggressive chemicals. It can reduce energy usage and protect sensitive surfaces. Our product have few innovation that we add to our product. First is our product has unique blend of colloidal cells and nanobubble stabilization, presenting a two-way cleansing system not found in any typical product, unlike conventional cleaners that employ harsh chemicals. Next thing is our product is plant-based. It is biodegradable plant-based surfactant and physical cleaning processes. This allows to remove hydrophobic and hydrophilic impurities effectively without the generation of toxic residues of the applications of heat or vigorous scrubbing. And next innovation is our product use nanobubble technologies. It can enhance penetration in microstructures and porous surfaces, something that regular cleaners are unable to do without mechanical force or corrosive. The electrostatic dispersion also support uniform coverage, allowing prolonged and good contact with the contaminants. I would like to talk about the potential applications of our product. Our product can be used in food preparation areas, electronic devices, biomedical and healthcare, and also household surfaces. It can clean any surfaces without harming people and environment. Our product is a good product as it has a lot of benefits. One of it is effective cleaning without harsh chemicals. It can remove any stains without using any dangerous and harmful chemicals. Next is it is safe for people and environment. It is made from plant and it is biodegradable and it leaves no harmful residues that could risk any people and environment. And the third one is our product is energy efficient. We can work with it without using our force, too much force. It requires less heat, it requires low pressure washing, and it can save a lot of energy. And last but not least, our product is gentle on delicate surfaces. It will not destroy or damage the surfaces, and it will clean the surface very well.
For financing part, they are divided into two things. First is raw material cost and second is revenue generation strategies. For raw material cost, first is alkyl polyglucoside. This is extract from corn and coconut and costed about Rm 10 ringgit to 30 ringgit per kilogram. Second is saponins, extract from soapwort and quinoa plants and costed around Rm 20 to Rm 40 ringgit per kilogram. Santan gum costed Rm 10 ringgit to Rm 25 per kilogram. For additive, optional plant based oil costed around Rm 50 to Rm 80 per kilogram, and citric acid costed around Rm 20 ringgit per kilogram. Last but not least, for packaging, UV resistant recycle bottle around Rm 80 cent to Rm 1 to 50 cent per unit. Next is revenue generation strategies. For direct sale, we will be sold via online platform, stores and commercial client. It is will be sell around Rm 10 to Rm 15 per bottles. Second is subscription model. Subscription service allows customer to receive shipment discount. And lastly, bulk sales and partnership. Partnership with retailer can facilitate bulk sales potentially at discount rate while expanding market reach. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Next, we'll move on to the data analysis of ECOSPHERE Clean. In data analysis, we will focus on the quantitative assessing the cleaning efficiency, colloidal properties, nanobubble characteristic, and sustainability aspect of the ECOSPHERE clean formulation. The objective is to quantify the removal effectiveness of both hydrophobic and hydrophilic contamination across various surfaces. Second is to confirm the presence and characterize the properties of colloidal micelles structure. Next, the third one is to confirm the presence, stability, and characteristic of nanobubbles. And then we're going to confirm the presence, stability, and characteristic of nanobubbles. First, we have cleaning efficiency assessment. The measurement of this is the surface will be uniformly soiled with representative hydrophilic, such as grease or oil, and hydrophobic grease and oil, and hydrophilic like protein and starch as a model of contamination. Then we're going to study the surface cleanliness metric, which we can use contact angle measurement, surface energy calculation, and atomic force microscope. This is to analyze the evaluation of cleaning performance at varying concentration of ECOSPHERE clean to determine optimal efficiency. Next, we have colloidal micelles structure characterization. The measurements of hydrophobic diameter and dispersity index of the micelles. Technique we use is to dynamic light scattering, critical micellar concentration determination, and small angle X-ray scattering. This is to analyze the comparison of measurements, micellar size, and CMCs with reported value for effective surfactant system. Next, we move to the stabilized nanobubble characterization. The measurement of this technique it allows for direct counting, sizing, and visualizing of individual nanobubbles, tracking their browning motion to determine their size, distribution, and concentration over time. The technique used for this is nanoparticle tracking analysis, zeta potential measurement, and optic microscopy. We use to analyze evaluation of the dual action mechanism that can be performed by correlation observation of micellus interaction with hydrophobic contamination.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad IZZUDDIN bin Muhammad Noor, nama metrik S71267. So, first, the point for the marketing strategy is first strong brand positioning. Let's begin with how we position ECOSPHERE Clean in the market. This product is not just another clean cleaner, but is a scientifically advanced cleaning solution that bridges two worlds, high performance technology and true environmental safety. Our key innovation lie in the combination of colloidal micelle technology and stabilized nanobubble. These two elements work together to break down and lift dry, grief, and even biofuel without relying on how or toxic chemical. Our brand is built on the promise of clean, deeper life cleaner. We want customers to see ECOSPHERE Clean as a smarter, safer, and more sustainable alternative to traditional cleaner. Whether it's a parent cleaning a kitchen or a business maintaining a food grade facility, our branding emphasizes trust, science, and sustainability. We use clean, modern visual, and straightforward messaging to reflect our credibility and our commitment to health and the environment. So the next is clear target segment. So we have identified three main target market for ECOSPHERE Clean. First, eco-conscious consumer. These are family, pet owner, and health-aware individuals who are actively looking for non-toxic sustainable product. For them, we emphasize safety, biodegradability, and the fact that our product is plant-based, free, and live no harms residual. Second, the commercial and industrial segment. Think hospital for manufacture, hospitality chain, and clean room. This organization require powerful cleaning solutions, but are also under pressure to meet environmental and safety standards. Third, nice and special market. This includes automotive detailer, electronic manufacturer, and sustainable tech company. Here we highlight the non-corrosive, residue-free nature of the product and how its safety, clean, delicate surface without damage. So the next. Okay, for the next, for the third, multi-channel marketing. Now let's talk about how we want to plan to bring ECOSPHERE Clean to market. Our strategy is built on multi-channel approach with a strong focus on education and engagement. We are not just selling a cleaner product, but we are introduce a new cleaning technology. That means we need to show people how it works, what is different, and why it matters. So on social media, especially platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, we will create short demo videos showing real-time cleaning results using ECOSPHERE Clean versus conventional cleaner. This will focus on touch, grease cream, and even microscopic surface cleaning. So this is perfect for viral content for the fall product promotion, packaging, and long-term growth. Finally, let's look at how we will drive adoption and scale the brand. To get people to try the product, we will launch with a Switch and Save campaign, offering free sample or discount to household and business switching from chemical cleaner. We will include QR code on every bottle that lead to short video tutorial and user tips. For long-term retention, we will implement refill subscription, build packaging option, and eco reward program that give points for recycling, referral, and sustainable habit. We also aim to offer custom solution for B2B client like concentrated refill for janitor service and industrial scale application. Our packaging will reflect our eco value and using recycled or biodegradable material, clear label, and minimalized sign for design. It's not just what design the butter, but it's the full experience that matters. So that from me.
For a conclusion, ECOSPHERE Clean, a revolutionary eco-friendly cleaner using Colloid chemistry. It combines nanobubbles and micro-dips, powerful cleaning without chemical, effective at room temperature, it removes dirt and disinfects surface, and lastly, safe for sensitive environment and reduce environmental.